County governments in Kenya are losing millions of shillings through fraud and errors related to manual revenue collection. In 2014, low revenue collection by county governments attracted calls from the Commission on Revenue Collection and Treasury that they automate the systems to net more revenue. Since then, several counties across the country have automated their revenue collection. Kilifi was among the first counties to heed the call. RainDrops Kenya Ltd was given the mandate to collect revenue in two streams, cess and parking fees across the county. Equipped with the latest technology, the company has transformed revenue collection in Kilifi.
Since we started collecting revenue for the county government of Kilifi, we've raised the revenue from where it was to almost 200% right now.
When we came, we found them that they were they didn't have web bridges, they were approximate. So we came up with the web bridges. We charge the accurate luggage. So I can say we have really improved a lot because, for instance, at the web bridge there, people used just to go to the quarry, then you'll approximate those are 5 tons. Maybe that lorry is carrying over 10 tons. So we came up with a system that we ensured we don't the county does not lose any revenue. We collect what is supposed to be collected when it comes to the natural resources.
Each and every transaction from whichever part of the county is easily monitored by a group of experts.
We have a system in place to collect revenue in real time. Once you're logged in, that is what you see, very brief. So we have the icons there to create the locations. We have several sub-counties in Kilifi County. Malindi, Mtwapa, Watamu, this is where you set the locations. We have terminals, these are our attendants, this is where you create them. You have the tariff as advised by the county government of Kilifi themselves. This is the finance bill. You have the attendants here, where you assign the terminals to them. You have the general dashboard and the transactions that are happening in real time.
What people used to do, they were being issued with MRs, those small receipts, and they will write the number plate and whichever, and by the end of the day, okay, you can tell maybe this particular book is at this particular station, but you don't know who's at that particular station. Maybe someone can still maybe come up with his own book, I don't know. Yeah, but with this system, you only like you have to be, a terminal has to be created for you, and so we have your details and know everything about you, so you're claiming responsibility, So when you issue a receipt, it is because that means you have processed a transaction, and the transaction will be reflected here. So by the end of the day, whatever you're supposed to remit is whatever is on the dashboard.
On the parking side, the parking stream, we have the automated system. So there is no way that maybe a client will give something. Yes, there must be a receipt, and that receipt, we have an inspectorate team that goes around checking. So there must be a ticket, and once that ticket is produced, it reflects on our dashboard and even the county government dashboard. So there is no loss of revenue. So we can say that we have tightened. There are no loopholes whatsoever.
Naona hawa wa saa hii ukusanyaji wa ushuru ni mzuri, sababu mahali kwingi mpaka huko mashambani wanatumia technology. Upeani pesa cash, unalipa through M-Pesa, hata yule mtu wako pale mwenye anakuhudumia hapatani na hiyo pesa. Kwa hivyo ni vigumu sana yeye kupata ile pesa, lakini zamani ile system ya zamani ilikuwa ni kijirisiti, unaandikiwa kitabu, unaandikiwa. Kijirisiti ukipewa hujui kama ni genuine, na muda mwingi hata ulikuwa ukisafiri una tatizo barabarani na mvua hii si genuine, nawe kama ambao umehudumiwa huwezi kujua ni vipi. Sasa walikuwa kuna vitabu vyao ambavyo walikuwa wanaandika. Sasa ambapo hapo county ilikuwa inapoteza pesa nyingi sana, lakini hii ambayo imekuja saa hii naona iko sawa kabisa, haina shida.
The company has employed at least 300 staff that work in various departments.
Clients wangu kusema ukweli huwa wakifika hapa na wasabu vizuri, na sijawahi wasikia wakilalamika kuhusu kulipa ushuru, isipokuwa wanalalamika kuhusu barabara wakati kukinyesha, ndio wanalalamika. Tofauti iko ambayo huwa wanaizungumzia, huwa wanazungumza kuhusu hizi mashini zetu. Anasema zamani walikuwa wakiandikiwa tu na receipt hizi MR, but saa hii wanafurahikia venye tuko na hizi mashini zetu zenye tunazitumia kwa wakati huu. Huwa tukiwasafu wanasema hiyo iko safe zaidi, pesa yao inaingia kwa system vizuri, inaonekana kila pahali kwamba wamelipa ushuru.
With the success story of digital revenue collection in Kenya, the company has attracted international recognition, and Mozambique has awarded it a contract to collect revenue in its 4 major cities.
We are heading far because as we are speaking now, we have already been contracted by Mozambican government. We'll be given a contract by a Mozambican government to collect revenue in 4 cities: Beira, Nampula, Kilimani and Pemba. We are signing the contract anytime from now. As RainDrops, we are ready to work with any county or with any institution so that to improve their revenue. And we are 100% sure when we come in, we'll make 100% revenue collection to go up.